Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to see the first problem of Codeforces round 766 div 2. So in this question we have a grid of n rows and m columns, and in this some cells are black and some cells are white. So we can do one type of operation, two type of operation. So what is that? You can select some black cells and do exactly one of the following operation. So if a cell is black, okay, then you can color whole row of it black or whole column of it black. So you can do these two types of operation. Okay, so now you are given two integers r and c, which is the row number and the column number, and you have to find the minimum number of operations required to make the cell in row r and column c black, or determine that if it is not possible. So what you have to do is you have a grid of n into m cells, and in this, yeah, there are black cells and white cells. Okay, and the jury is asking you that he is giving two numbers R and C, which is the row number and column number. Particularly, it is a cell. So it is asking that what is the minimum number of operations required to make this cell black? Okay, by doing these type of operations, or tell if it is impossible. So let's see in this. Let's say I have 4 into 4 grid. Okay, and in this 4 into 4 grid, and in this only no one is black, the all of them is white, and jury is asking you for this cell, which is row number third and column number also third. So jury is asking what is the minimum number of operation to make this black. But what is the operations we can do is we find a black cell and just color the whole row or whole column of it black. But in this there is no black, they all are white. So we cannot color any of the cell black. So in this case we will just return -1 because there is no black. And let's suppose jury is asking for this cell, and in this cell there is already a black color. So in this, what is the minimum number of operations? Well, we don't have to do anything. It is 0. So we can just return 0. And in other case, for example, it is not black, not white, but there is a black in this grid. There is somewhere a black. Let's suppose the black is in the same row or is in the same column. Let's suppose first it is in the same row. Then what we can do is just select this black color and color whole row in black color. Then it can be colored in black. So the number of operations is 1. And let's suppose this black color is in the column. Then we can just color the column into black. So in that case also number of operations is 1. So for answer to be 1, what we need is we need a black color in the same row as the given row, or at least one black color in the same column of the given column. If it is not present in the same row and same column, let's suppose it is not present in this, let's suppose it is here. Okay, then in one operation what we can do, we can just we can just make this black. Okay, so now for after doing this, what we can what we know is that if I make a whole a row of this black color turn into black, or I just color this column into black, then this cell must share some row or column from this. If I color this row into black, then it will share the column, and if I just color this column, then it will share this row from this. So that one operation needed here to make this, and one operation is needed here to make this. So this will be colored in two operations. So what we do here, our answer can be -1 if there is no black color, and 0 if the black color is present in the given cell, and 1 if the black color is present in the same row or in the same column, else it will be 2. We can make the cell black in at most 2 operations. Okay, so let's see the code of it. Okay, so now in this what I have done is I have taken the input n into m, the size of the grid, and x and y is the xth row and yth column. I have taken the input, and after that I have taken the grid input. So which one is black and which one is white, so it is storing in the string. And I have initialized a variable count 0, which will count a number of blacks in the grid. If number of blacks is 0, this means count equal to 0. So in that case, we cannot make the xth row, make the cell in xth row and yth column black. So in that case, the answer will be -1. And what will be the other case? If the asked cell is already black, so it is asking us xth row and yth column, but in this the xth row is just 1 minus, let's see here the it is first row and it is first column, but in code it is starting from 0 1 2 3. So whatever is in the input we have given, just we have to minus it, just -1. So yeah, x minus 1th row and y minus 1th column. If it is b, then we can just print 0. We don't need any operations. Then if it is not from these two cases, then what will it be? So first we will check if there is a black in the same column or in the same row. So I have initialized the count again 0. So if there is a black in column, then increase the count, and if there is a black in the same row, then increase the count. So if count is greater than 0, which means I have found at least one black in the same row or in the same column, then our answer will be 1. And if the black is not present in the same row and column, then answer will be 2. So yeah, that's all in the question. So let's meet in the second question. Okay.